Well, good evening, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. We're doing something a little different in this video here. I want to discuss the difference between watches, warnings, advisories, and outlook. We're going to also look at the Storm Prediction Center, how they rate their um, just regular thunderstorms to the worst thunderstorm outlook. And also we're going to look at a chart with watches, warning, and advisory for winter weather. Okay, we're going to start off with taking a look at the chart here. We're going to start off with a warning. If a warning is issued for any kind of severe weather, severe thunderstorm, tornado warning, flash flood warning, any kind of warning, this is what you need to look out for. A warning is issued when a hazardous weather or hydrological event is occurring, immediate or likely. A warning means weather conditions pose a threat to life or property. People in the path of the storm needs to take protective action. That is what the warning alarm on the NOAA weather radio does. It comes out, it produces the warning. That's why you hear the alert tone when a warning is issued for your location. When a warning is issued, heed that what I just read, the warning there. Okay, now excuse me. We're going to jump into what a watch is. A watch is used when the risk of hazardous weather or hydrological event has increased significantly, but its occurrence, location, or timing is still uncertain. A watch means that hazardous weather is possible. People should have a plan of action in case a storm threatens, and they should listen to later information and possible warnings, especially when planning travel or outdoor activity from your local National Weather Service office. That's where you need to pay close attention when a watch is issued. A watch means just be on the lookout for possible severe weather in a certain location. Okay, now we're going to look at the advisory here. An advisory is issued when a hazardous weather or hydrological event is occurring, immediate or imminent or highly likely. Advisories are for less serious conditions than warnings that causes significant inconvenience, and if caution is not exercised, could lead to a situation that may threaten life or property. Okay, that's TV or by your local National Weather Service office, different things like that. That's what the advisory means. Advisory, I will get into that in not the next slide, but the next one after that. Okay, now we're going to take a look at outlook. An outlook is issued when a hazardous weather or hydrological event is possible in the next week. Outlooks are intended to raise awareness of the potential of significant weather that could lead to situations that may threaten life or property. That's when you see different outlooks issued. That's why but the local National Weather Service will issue hazardous weather outlooks across your local forecast area, and also that's like rain outlooks. Also, that's why will the public know that there may be a lot of rainfall in a certain area that may produce life and property events. Okay, this is what you see when I'm telling the forecast, and also if you see it on TV. Also show categories here. Understanding the severe thunderstorm risk category. This is issued by the Storm Prediction Center. in Norman, Oklahoma. Okay, let's get with the general thunderstorm. That's thunderstorm with no label, means no severe thunderstorm expected. Lightning, flooding threats exist with all thunderstorm. That means uh, heavy rainfall, gusty winds, hail, tornadoes, anything like that is not in that forecast. It's just a regular thunderstorm, just regular thunder, lightning, rain, and pretty much that's about it. Now, a marginal risk means isolated severe thunderstorms possible, limited in duration and our coverage and our intensity. That means there's limited coverage of severe weather in a certain location where the marginal risk area is. Okay, we're going to go into the number 2 category. This is slight risk. Scattered severe thunderstorm possible. That's why you see it shaded in yellow a lot of time when I'm talking about slight risk. This means short-lived and or not widespread isolated intense storms possible in the slight risk area. Okay, now we're going to look at the enhanced risk. This is number 3 on the severe weather scale. That means numerous severe thunderstorms possible in a certain area where it is highlighted in the enhanced risk area. More persistent and or widespread, a few intense. That means stronger than other thunderstorms. Okay, number 4. This is a moderate risk. Sometimes we see them here in South Carolina. We see them in other parts of the country as well. A lot of time you see it over around Oklahoma, Texas, also over into Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Tennessee, also even in Kentucky sometime as well. And also into Kansas and Missouri also. But anyway, this is a moderate risk of number 4. Widespread severe thunderstorms are likely in a certain area where the moderate risk is issued by the Storm Prediction Center. Long-lived, widespread, and intense thunderstorms is in the moderate risk category. Once in a while, you will see a category 5 over in the plain states and also portions of the south, but hardly ever. But it mainly goes up to a 4. But I have seen the high risk category before. This is widespread severe storms expected, long-lived, very widespread, and particularly intense thunderstorms in the high-risk area wherever it is located at. So I hope you understand these charts. I'm trying to describe them a little bit so that way you have a little bit of better perspective when I start telling these forecasts. Also, you see it by the Storm Prediction Center and also by your local television stations. Now, finally, the watches, warning, and advisory. Okay, here it is here. Okay, we're going to start off with let's see, winter weather advisory. We're going to start off with that, and then we're going to work our way back over to blizzard warning. Okay, winter weather advisory means potentially dangerous winter weather is expected within the next 12 to 36 hours or is occurring. Travel difficulties are expected. And it said beware. That's where they you can people with that's where you can lose power, you get stranded in the snow. All that situation there will occur. Okay, a winter storm warning is issued when dangerous winter weather is expected within the next 12 to 36 hours or is occurring. Considerable travel problems are expected. You need to take action immediately because that's when you need to go to the store, get your stuff, bread, milk, whatever you need to get. Go home, settle in, and stay put until after the storm has passed. Then your local DOT will be out plowing the road, trying to get all the snow off the road. When the weather warms up, most of the snow melts, and then you can get back to normal. Now we're going to look at blizzard warning. Severe winter weather is expected within the next 12 to 36 hours or is occurring, included whiteout conditions, and do not travel. That means take action. Do not travel during a blizzard. Blizzard means that the winds are howling real fast, over 40 miles per hour, maybe even higher. In whiteout conditions, you cannot even see right in front of you. It's worse than fog. So Well, I hope this helped you out a little bit. Hope we can continue to get more of these here. I will kind of, if anybody has any weather questions, drop them in the comment section below or on any of my videos, and I will be glad to answer them. I hope everybody have a great evening, and I just wanted to let everybody know what to expect during watching warning advisories. I hope this helped you out. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Like I said, I'm going to start doing different weather content in my forecast. Alright, we will catch you back in the next one.